Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Keto Blogging. Let's check how we can upload a custom font in our WordPress website and use it. So as you can see, we have a lot of amazing fonts that I can download it and upload it to my WordPress website and use it with any theme that you want. So let's suppose I want to use this font on my website. Then all I have to do is simply download the font file. So let me click on download. Now the font file is downloaded to my computer. Let me open it. Now let me open the zip file and you can see the font file. So let me copy it and let's paste it here. And this is the font file. So you can convert this font file to WOP2 format as well. So if your font is in TTF format, then you should convert it to WOP2 format so that you will get better compressions. So as you can see, this is a font file .ttf and you can see the size, it is around 2 MB, but if you convert that to WOP2 format, then the file size is around 19 KB. So you can see a significant reduction in file size. So you can use any of the font converter tools. Simply just upload your font. So let me click on browse file and here you can upload your own TTF font here and then you can convert it to WOP2 format or WOP format. So I recommend you to use the WOP2 format and convert it. So the font downloaded from this website is in OTF format. So it is already optimized. So you can see the file size, it is around 12 KB. Now we need to upload that font to our WordPress website. So for this, let me log into my dashboard. And as you can see, if you use any of the font, then you already have all these fonts available to use. But if you want your own font, then you can upload your font. But by default in theme, you will not get any options. So for this, you need to use a plugin. Just go to dashboard. Let's go to plugin and I will click on add plugin. Now you need to install a plugin like this fonts plugin. So let me search for the plugin here and you will find this font plugin. Use Google font, Adobe font and upload font. So you can use Google font, Adobe fonts, or you can upload your own fonts. So let's activate the plugin. Now let's click on upload font. Now you can set the name and you can upload your font type. So I am uploading the OTF font file. So I will click on select file and I will select my own font, Maulin.otf. Let me copy the font name and let me select it. Now you can set the font name here. Let's click on add new font. Similarly, you can upload more fonts. So let me refresh it first. And as you can see, your font is added here. Now let's suppose I want to upload a WOP2 format font. Then I will click on here and I will click on upload file and I will select a WOP2 format font here, cream cake. Let me open it and let me select it and I can name it cream cake font like this. Let's click on add font. Similarly, you can add more fonts. So let me refresh that and all these uploaded fonts are now added. Now we need to change the font from the customizer. So let's click on customizer. Now you will see a new option, font plugin. Just click on that and here you can see all these options. First one is the basic settings where you can change the base font, which is the paragraph font here. So let me click on here and I will select the Maulin font. So all the base font is now changed to Maulin. So you can see all these fonts are now changed. You can change the heading font to same Maulin font and you can change the button font to something like this. Now let me go back and let me click on advanced setting and you can change font from different sections. Suppose you want to change font for your navigation, just click on navigation and select the font Maulin and your font is now changed. Let's suppose I want to go to blog page and as you can see all these fonts are now changed. Let me open a blog post and as you can see all these fonts are now changed to Maulin. You can change that to cream cake if you want and all the navigation fonts are now changed to cream cake. Let's go back. Now let's click on content and you can change the content font. So let me click on cream cake and as you can see the font is now changed. So this is how you can use custom font using this plugin. So you can change all these font like H1, H2, H3 and you can change the font for list elements, quotations, and let's go back. You can change the font in the sidebar or you can change the font for footer. So it will work with all the themes. So let me open a different website. Here in this website I am using Bloxy theme and let's test with the Cadence theme. So let's go to plugin and let's activate the plugin. Now let's click on upload font and as you can see we have uploaded some of the fonts. Now let's test this. So you can click on customize font so that it will open your theme customizer. Now let's click on basic settings and as you can see I already set the font to sacrifice. You can change that font as well. Let's click on heading font and let me change that like this. So this is how you can change your custom font. You can change the font for heading. So let's click on advanced, click on navigation and you can set the font here like this. So this will work with each and every theme. So you don't need to go to your themes typography setting. You can control everything from here fonts plugin. So I hope you have understand how to use custom font in your WordPress website. If you still have doubt, then do let me know in the comment sections. And if you want to use other custom font plugin, then you can do that. But there are some limitations. So let me search for the plugins and I will click on add plugins and I will simply search for custom fonts. So here you will find a lot of plugins. First one is custom fonts from Brainstorm Force. So in some cases you will not be able to upload WOV2 format in this plugin. And if you use this plugin, then it will only allow one font. And if you need to upgrade to premium version to upload more than one font. But if you use this font plugin, then you can upload multiple fonts using this plugin and it will work with all the themes. So I recommend you should use this plugin. So it has all around 2 lakhs plus active installations and the plugin has good rating as well. So if you still have doubt, then do let me know in the comment section and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.